let's get into this chart real quick. We're going to be talking about, here we go, Abercrombie. All right, we're going to talk about Abercrombie, ANF. ANF, we're going to go through the chart. We're going to show you some support levels where you should buy in at. Okay, so I want to show you that. Let's get into it. For everybody who already knows about ANF, okay, I'm a holder of ANF. I bought, I don't know, probably down here somewhere like that. So now, presently, we see the stock is at $184, okay? $184.56. I'll just say 184. Okay, so we're here. This is, everybody, left top screen, ANF in the corner there, 4-hour time frame. These squiggly lines are the moving averages, the different colors. Purple is the 50-day, the green is the 20-day, this gold is the 200-day. Okay, we're above all of those. I love that. I love that. This stock, owning stocks like this, you can sleep easily at night. There's no problem. You like, look at this trend. We've been going up for such a long time here. What is this? Back here, April. All right. When I say Gollum support levels, this is Gollum from like Lord of the Rings, like precious, precious, my precious. I was accumulating when we were down in here and stuff, somewhere over here. I have to look at my portfolio to see my actual cost average, but I'm in. Right? So now we popped up. When we pop up high, yeah, I sell a little bit. I don't just hold everything, you know. I actively come in and out of my positions and everything, but I always hold some, okay? So, because I wait for a pullback, right? Buy in, we set alerts, okay? So 170, that was a good pullback here. So we see we have support here, 170, if we ever fall back to this level again. But you see this trend line that I drew here. We've been hugging this area. So it's respecting, the stock is respecting that price level right there. Okay, so now will we come here to this trend line and then respect this area? So what area would this be? Let's see, let's just try it up. Okay, we can't see because the price is right there. Hold on. Maybe if we came like right? Pretty much, maybe it'll fall a little bit lower. So maybe anything between 180 and 184. So looking like this. Okay, hold on. Let me just get my. Hold on. I have to shrink myself a little bit here. Okay. Boom. Okay. So maybe in this area. Okay. So something like maybe in this area when the stock touches down into here. Okay, it may go, okay, see how it wicks down a little bit sometimes? So something into here, buy. We could buy a little and then ride up. I don't know how far, like if we're going to go bloop, bloop like that. But either way, the price is so small, okay? So we're trying to buy on this trend line area, okay? So but if we, just in case we drop a little bit lower, something like that, okay? So look at the price levels over here on this side, okay? So we could buy, so we could ride up. Now, when we get to this line, this dot here, okay? Okay, so it's like right a little bit below $195. So what am I saying here? When we get to this area, okay, 194 and 196. People are going to sell again because that's what I did before, right? So you'll sell a little bit. Like when we're pushing towards a high, okay, this is like if we're in a house, it's like we're hitting our head on the ceiling of the house. It's like, boop, oops. And so we hit our head there and we'll bounce down like, oh, I got a duck. People will sell, okay? And so here people will sell a little bit. Okay, so just know that we're going to hit a little resistance in this area. So this is an area that you have to know where you may want to take a little bit of profits. Okay, take a little bit of profits. So that's an area to know to sell a little bit of your position. So accumulate. So what's my point here? Accumulating down in here, and then we could sell up in here. Clearly not financial advice, right? So I just wanted to, show you this. Of course, we're doing good for our earnings and everything. Okay, okay. And look, why do I hold this? Look at this. Okay, for the week, month, 3-month, 6-month, year. Look at for the year though. Okay, let's just change. Boom. Here we go. for the year. Hold on. For the year, 418%. I don't think you heard me. 418% for the year. Yes. Like that. Like it. By the way, like it, click like and subscribe. Okay? So I like a stock that can flow like that. I mean, look. Money in our sleep, okay? It's this is a arrow, okay? Right now we're in the summertime. So in the summer, the stock market can get light. Okay? People are on vacation. So I'm not saying you go all in and just dump all your money. No. Tread lightly. Keep things light and everything because it's a summer. But let's accumulate on those lows for everybody who likes this stock. I wanted to show this. Okay, they're saying it's a neutral. Well, they could say that. I mean, I don't know. How neutral are we, right? Look at this. Look at this. So everybody who needs to see it that way. Okay? Don't sound a little neutral. But we could dip down. Okay? So, you know, people, they sold a couple, yeah, so did I. Because I saw we were at a high. And so you sell some there. So do I take this as, oh, no, they're coming out? No. I sold too because of how it looks. And I will buy back in on the dips, okay? So that's what I'm saying there. And so now also here we have, okay, so a little downside. Yeah, it should. I hope it comes down a little bit so I could buy on the dips. So now this would be a problem if there's going to be a sustained high price for the cotton. I don't know. I mean, but is that new? I mean, because I don't know. Because that's one of the things they're saying here. And then, but this is also... management raised the bullish side. Management raised the F24 guidance significantly. That's nice. Okay, market confidence. Yeah, I have a little bit of confidence too. Okay, and then technically, well, what are we looking at? Yeah, hold on. Just bring this down. Technical analysis. Okay, we're in the just strong area then, because if this is strong buy, this would just be strong. For what? The 3 day. Okay, the 1 week and the 1 month. See, so everything, when I click it for 1 month, 1 week, 3 day, we're still strong. Okay? So this is why somebody like me, I'm into technical analysis. That's what I do. Okay? I love that. It keeps me green. It takes out a lot of the guesswork, okay, of why is it going down? Because you know what happens? Sometimes this is what will happen. Someone will get into a stock, right, up here. They'll get in up here, and they're like, oh, my God, what? Sky's falling when it goes down on them because they bought up so high. And they're like, what am I doing wrong? Okay, because it's not your fault. You can't see the technicals behind it, okay, of what's going on. So buying, like, around this trend line here, you see, and then riding it up. So I want to make sure my audience knows, hey, let's buy in some support levels. So we have the floor. If you were walking on the floor of a house, we have support under us and we can go up from there. Okay. But don't hit your head on the ceiling and wonder what's going on. You know that we're going to have some resistance around those levels, 192, 194. Okay. So you'll know that. Okay, by looking at this stuff. And then also, let's see, this is FinViz, okay, for Amnicron, same stock. Okay, so this is the performance for the week, month, quarter. So this is it laid out that way. Price target, okay. So right now, though, we're already, where are we right now? 184. Okay, so we're 184. We have a target that they say here of 190. So we got a little bit of room to grow, see? And then, of course, the target will be adjusted, as like it always is. Look at all this stuff down here. You know, outperform, price targets and stuff. So it's a lot of green here. Even if you don't know how to read this, it's a lot of green here. Okay. And when it's not green, the majority of the rest of the things are white. It's not a lot of red. Some of these stocks, it's like so much red in here, it makes you kind of crazy. So, you know, when we're seeing year over the year and things like this, you know, and then we're looking at the sales here. Sales, how much? 4.4 billion. Okay. You know, I'm okay with that. So I just wanted to shout this out. This is one of my hidden gems that I love. Okay. I love this stock. I wanted to show it. This is the technicals right here. And here is the same stock on the daily time frame. Look how beautiful this is. Hold on. Just look at this. Oh my God. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Come on. That's beautiful. Gotta love it. Okay. And as I said, the Gollum support levels, I was accumulating, like I said, down in here and stuff for this push that we're just doing now also. Okay. I want to leave you with just a quote. Okay. Why? Because it's good and helps us stay motivated. Okay. So this is for the people who hung around all the way to now. Hey, you're my fans. You're my true people. You're my tribe. I have a little motivation here. Okay. So it's a quote. Jack Nicklaus, a professional golfer, so not the actor Jack Nicholson. I guess Jack Nicklaus, like Santa Claus, Claus. I don't know how to pronounce it. Everybody who's a golfer, you know who I'm talking about. Okay, the older you get, the stronger the wind gets, and it's always in your face. Now, yes, that's going to be motivation, though, because it's in our face. But you know what? We persevere anyway. Okay. And it's easier to do when you see the support levels, where you see the buy areas, the buy zones, where to buy. So you don't want to be the sucker buying at the top. Okay. Stay informed. You know, the wind is in your face, but it's also in everybody else's, not just yours. Okay. So we're going to adjust and turn our back to the wind so we can shield ourself, right? And stay green. See you next time. Anything that moves, click like, subscribe. Bye for now.